Hello, my little creatives, and welcome back to another episode of Drawfully Fun Draw with me. Today we're taking it nice and slow and working on my adorable yet happy and spunky little sloth. So let's get started. Well, before we get started, actually, we got to do something to our paper. We got to prepare ourselves here. So what we're going to do first, before we draw our eyes or get any ladders or anything done here, we're going to switch our page around here so that the corner of our page, the right corner of our page, is going to be right in front of us. That's right. We're tilting our page just a little bit because our sloth is going to have a tilted head and it's hanging from a tree. So to make it easier to draw and have our face a little bit more straight on, this is going to be the best way to do it. Tilt your page so that the right corner face is right directly in front of you. Now we can start working on the head, and when we're done with the head, we can go ahead and come right back to normal and work on the body. So let's go ahead and begin with the eyes. We're going to do little ovals, egg-shaped eyes today. Lots of egg-shaped themes this week. So lots of egg-shaped eyes I've been working on. Eventually I'm going to switch things around and you'll see some good things are coming your way. Alright, so we got some cute little ovals right here. We want our sloth to look at us, so you know what that means. We're going cross-eyed. So we're going to do a little curve right here and another one right here. Looking straight into the middle. We got cross-eyed. Let's do a stripe right around the back. Same exact thing. We're working on our ladders. We're going to go ahead and set up for our ladders here so that we can have some cute color in our sloth eyes. There we go. All the way up to the tippity top. For those of you that have been with me before, you know the drill here. For those that are new, this is where the color of your eye goes. The outside stays white, the middle goes in color, and the inside is that black pupil with, of course, our sparkles. So let's get some sparkles right on the top and right on the bottom. All right, let's do that again for the left side. We got one right on top and one right on the bottom. Boop. Like that. Look how cute she looks. She, not sure what this one is yet. Let's go ahead and color in those pupils. Let's go ahead and color it in, get it cute and adorable. I don't like empty eyes. You know me. I do not like them. I think they're creepy. I think it just makes the drawing look off. I like some perspective. I like to see that cute factor pop, just so that we can get an idea of what the drawing is going to look like. So let's get these eyes nice and shaded. You can use your pencil, you can use a color pencil, you can use a marker, or you can wait until the end. If it doesn't bother you, go for it. You can leave them empty. All right. Now, if you want to add eyelashes to yours, go for it. Add eyelashes. Now, I'm not going to add eyelashes to mine only because we're going to have a dark, kind of like a fireball effect going around it, because sloths have this dark patch of eyes. So I think if I do the eyelashes, it may clutter it. But hey, if you want to, go for it. By all means, do it. So what we're going to do for this fireball effect, right on top of the eye, we're going to create the letter C. Just go all the way around and create a letter C on top of it. Same thing on the left. Yes, same thing on the left. I was going to say right. I can't get my left and rights done. My goodness. Let's go over here and do a backwards letter C. All the way around the left eye. Like that. Okay. So now this next part is going to make our sloth look like it's got kind of like a superhero mask on. So what I want to do here is create a fireball effect, a little flame, a little tail of a flame. So I'm going to do 3 triangles coming around the end right here. Number 1, 2, and 3. And bring this all the way around back to where we left off on that letter C. See? So it kind of looks like a fireball. Let's do the same exact thing over here. Bring this around, go up, 1, 2, and 3. And then bring this back all the way around, boop, into that other piece. There you go, there you go. See, now if you wanted to add eyelashes here, I guess it won't be too cluttered, so you're more than welcome to. You could do that here. All right, let's go ahead and do a cute little Jellybean nose. We're gonna go right here in the center. A Jellybean, I love it, super cute. Now for the smile, I want to give it a big, open, happy, kind of like silly smile with the little tongue sticking out on the bottom. So we're just going to do a regular smiley face curve from left to right. And then we're going to come here, we're going to go halfway down, boop, and stop right there. And now we're going to have a little tongue sticking out here. So we're going to go from the top, little rainbow curve, and then a bubble right on the bottom. Like that. Do a little line. And you got yourself a cute little tongue. Isn't that adorable? This is just like the corgi's tongue. So if you did the corgi with me, which I'll link up here below in some of the cards here, we did this very, very similar tongue right here. Same exact step. And then we're going to come all the way up and close that out with a cute little smiley face curve on each end. Look at that. He looks silly. He looks silly and adorable. Now I'm going to add a little bit of texture right here, a little bit of depth right under the eyes. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. And of course, eyebrows. You gotta have eyebrows. Nope. There we go. All right, so now let's work on the inner face. We're gonna have various layers of the head here. We're gonna have an inner face, and then we're gonna have the outer fur. So the inner face is gonna kind of look like a Mickey Mouse effect, where we're gonna come around the top and then dip down in the middle and then come back around the end. So from the fireball tail right here, we're gonna bring this up, do that Mickey Mouse forehead, bring it back down, kind of like into a little plateau, little dip, and then back around to the other flame, like that. Looking cute, looking cute. Then we're gonna close it out on the bottom and meet on both sides to where the tongue is. So right here, a little cheek line all the way down. Same thing over here. Kind of follow where you left off on this just to line up where your inner face is. And go again. Boop. And there you go. It's looking cute. Kind of creepy, but cute. Let's go ahead and work on the outer head right now. This is going to be the fur. This is where all that sloth furriness is going to come out. So we're going to do some triangles on the corners right here and right here, and of course a mohawk right on top. So right above this line right here, this little curve, I'm going to start another curve right here and do my triangles. 1, 2, and curve it down. So 2 triangles. Same thing over here, 2 triangles. Bring this around. Number 1, number 2. I think I can fit a third one. I'm going to fit a third one right here. Number 3. And then bring it down. Boop. There you go. Look how cute he looks. Love him. Let's do this mohawk. Now the mohawk is going to have probably 4 or 5 triangles. Now you can put however many you want. If you just want 3, you could do 3 big ones. You could do 6. You could do a whole bunch of them. Whatever you like. You do you. Let's come over here and do the first one. It's going to look like a little shark fin. Number 1. Change directions to number 2. Number 3, I'm going to go upwards and make it a little higher just to make it look a little messy. Number 3. Number 4. Right here. And yeah, let's do number 5. One more. 5. Yep. Like that. And any gap you have here, if you have a gap, you can close that out right here. And just make the top of the head. Look how cute he's coming out already. I love it. He's adorable. I love sloths. They're cutie pies. All right, now let's go ahead and continue down with the bottom. We're going to go ahead and close off the entire bottom of the face just with a really, really long happy face curve. So from right here, kind of follow along where you left off on this line, bring it all the way down and just curve it to a really big smiley face curve all the way down to where the tongue is. And then do the same thing over here. Follow this curve all the way down and in. Boop. There you go. Look at that. He's so cute. All right. Now we can go ahead and turn our page back to normal. There we go. Look at that. See? Instantly cute. turned little face. Now we're gonna have him hanging off of a big old tree branch right here. So what I want to do is start working on the arm that's holding onto the tree branch. So from the bottom of the face, about midway, I'm going to start a line that goes across, kind of meeting parallel to the face. So just a nice cute little curve going all the way up, boop, to where the branch is. The branch is going to start right here. Okay. And now we're going to do the fluffy little back piece of the arm right here. So from where we left off right here, we're going to bring 3 triangles down. Ready? So 1, 2, I'm going to turn directions and go the other way, 3, and then I'm going to leave off exactly where I left off on this part and just curve it in. Boop. Like that. There we go. Super cute. I'm going to leave this just like that for now. Well, we can close that now. Yeah, we could do tiny little toes. So what we're going to do here are cute little jelly beans that are going to hold on to the branch eventually. So to close this big old gap here, we're going to do 3 long jelly beans. 1, 2, 3. Like that. There we go. You're so cute. All right, let's continue on with the belly. So right here, we're gonna have a cute little belly that's coming out from just underneath this last little piece of hair. So bring this into a really big old cute belly. Boop, rainbow curve. All right, and then we're gonna continue the same thing here. So right in the middle of this belly line, we're gonna have the back leg that's holding on to the other side. So we're gonna go upwards and do 2 triangles facing up. So right here from the middle of that belly, bring it into your triangle number 1, number 2, and then stop right about there. Same line, take that little invisible path almost to where your branch is gonna go. Okay, let's do another one exactly like that, but our starting point is actually gonna be the same starting point of where we left off right here. So right here, drag your pencil, go all the way to the left, and then bring this line and do the same style, 2 triangles, 1, 2, and then bring it upwards and leave off exactly where you left off on that one. Kind of looks like lightning bolts. Okay. And one more, we're going to come down in a big old curve because this is going to be the back leg. This is that back rounded leg right here. So we're going to start off again from where we left off on this line, bring it over to the left, start right here, and we're going to stop it more or less about right here on the bottom. We're curving inwards and stopping about here. So let's go down, do 2 triangles. Ready? We're going to go up, 1 and 2, and curve it in. There you go. Look how cute he looks. He's adorable. Now we're going to close this big old gap here with 3 more toes. We're not going to do a set of toes for each leg. We're only going to do 1 set of toes because the other leg is wrapped around the other side and we don't see those little toes. So right here we're going to do a big old jelly bean number 1, number 2, and number 3. Close out that whole section. If you have any little gaps, you can close them out right here underneath those toes. There you go. Look how cute he looks. All right. Now to close off the body, all we're going to do is a really big happy face curve that goes all the way around. But along this happy face curve, I want to do some triangles to make him look really, really fuzzy. It's really cute fur. So right here, I want a cluster. Right here, around the midway, I want a cluster. And then a cluster kind of up here. So we can start this one of 2 ways. We can come down here from the back side, or we can continue this line, or we can kind of do both and then meet in the middle. That's up to you. I'm going to come over here and start from the neckline going up into a triangle. Number 1, we'll do 3 triangles here. 2 and 3. And then we'll start curving this a little more roundish. Up into another triangle. 1 and 2. Like that. And now I'm going to come over here from the back and continue this line. So I'm going to start a triangle right here where we left off. 1. Make this one go the opposite way. 2. Do a third one right here. 3. And then we're going to just bring this all the way around and connect it to the bottom. Ready? Big old curve. Boop. There you go. Look at that. Now, if you want to have him hanging from whatever you want, now's your chance to get creative. You can create whatever style anything he wants to hang on. I'm going to show you how to do a tree branch here. So from the back of the legs right here, we're going to connect the line going from the bottom first, all the way across, like that. Go behind the head. Kind of follow this path behind the head. If you want to kind of make it going a little upwards, eventually it's going to pop out from the top of the head. So from right here, maybe around the mohawk, we're going to just bring this line out. Kind of stop wherever you want to stop, wherever your branch is going to go. Okay, and let's do the same thing on the top. So from right here, kind of go behind the toes. Remember, you don't have to make your line straight on this. These are tree branches after all. So we kind of want them to make it look a little bit imperfect. So bring this around. I'm going to stop right here, more or less. And I'm going to do a little branch popping out from here. So I'm going to come upwards, like that. A little one here. And maybe pop out another little twig right here. And then continue this branch right behind that. And close it out. Let's do another one right over here. I think this looks kind of empty here, so I'm going to do a big old branch upwards. Boop. And then let's do another one popping out from here. There we go. Look at that. Now we got to add leaves. Where there's branches, there's got to be leaves. So anywhere you want, you can start adding leaves. So I'm going to add another one right here. Like that. However you do leaves, you don't have to do them like me. Do it however you feel comfortable. Let's go. Maybe do a little tiny branch kind of popping out from here. Make it look different from the other one. And a little one here. Looking good, guys. Look how awesome this is. We're going really fast on this guy. I love it. Let's go over here and do the same thing. Little leaf. Little leaf. Love it. And let's do another branch. Why not? Let's do another little branch here. And pop out some leaves here. There we go. Aw, it looks adorable. I love it. Maybe a little one here. I don't know. There we go. Now, to add texture to your branch, we can't just leave it blank like this. I want to add some texture. So I'm going to go lightly with my Sharpie, and I'm just going to go across the branch and do some light texture lines all across. Not too harsh, not too thick. You can even take a small fine liner pen if you have a micron pen that's a little smaller than this. You can do that, or if you have Ohuhu fine liner pens. I love Ohuhus, I love microns, I love them all. Anything that has to do with supplies, I love it all. Alright, let's see. Let's take a quick look. Let's see our leaves. Yeah, our leaves are looking good. We can add like little veins on them, some little texture lines. You can add whatever you want. You can leave them blank. You can do anything you like. This is your drawing after all. Boop, boop. There, one here. Alright, there you go. And guys, this is it. This is the official outline of our silly, adorable, and slow, oh so slow sloth. Awesome. And of course, the completed version. Alright guys, you know the drill. If you liked what we did here today, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to get notified of all of my future content. If you've completed this and you would like to share it with me, go ahead and post it on social media using hashtag DrawFullyFun, or send it to me via my website drawfullyfun.com via the fan art section. I will be featuring lots and lots of fan art coming your way. It's not live just quite yet. It is coming, so stay tuned. drawfullyfun.com will be coming up very soon with lots of goodies for you all. Alright guys, until the next time, happy creating.